Hey guys, just doing a really quick review on these rope ratchet hangers here. So I'm getting ready to hang up my exhaust fan, so I figured I'd show you. These are decent, just pretty standard hangers. If I guess one thing to show you, trying to hook up my fan here, they're not actually small enough in this particular case to fit through. So, luckily this bracket comes with mounting holes. So, just gonna simply go ahead and open it up and hook them on there, and that'll work just fine. To keep it balanced, I'll do both sides. You see, like I said, standard. If you want to loosen it up, hit the little release button here, then you can get some more rope there. So just hook up both sides, and then you can pull them to hang them up. So they're a little bit loud, a little stiff, but overall they're really good value, good price. I think they definitely get the job done for whatever you're trying to hang up in your grow tent.